I cracked the code on how to bill clients through the GoHighlevel payment gateway. Now in this video, you're gonna see exactly how to charge your SMMA clients in GoHighlevel. Now this is really awesome because we're always using these other platforms like Stripe, authorize.net, and different interfaces causes more attention and less productivity when it comes to getting things done. So imagine if you could do everything in GoHighlevel. You're servicing your clients in there, and you're also tracking your billing and your payments and monthly revenue, and everything's tracked properly. So what I'm gonna do for you guys today is I give you guys this snapshot, and I'm basically gonna walk through it. And this won't be an entire setup from start to finish, but this is gonna be how I utilize it. And if you guys want a full setup, comment it below, and I'll do a full SOP on this, but I'm also gonna give you guys this high level snapshot for free. Just for watching this video, so I really appreciate that. The first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is the opportunity pipeline. And I have everything blurred here just to keep everything safe, but this pipeline is pretty simple. So I have my monthly payments made right here, and then I have the months in the year. So I'll have like January, February, March, April, May, so on and so forth, right? This is extremely beneficial because it'll allow you guys to document how many bills are getting paid what month out of the year and so on and so forth. So basically, we create some automations here that allow us to move from month to month and allow you guys to track your billing month over month and actually set up the billings inside of GoHighlevel, which I'm going to show you here shortly. So there's a couple things that you need to do in order to set this up. The first thing is going into settings and integrations. And what you're going to go ahead and do is either insert your Stripe or insert your authorize.net. Now, those are the two connections that I know of right now. I believe there's also a QuickBooks integration. But for right now, I'm using authorize.net, which is very similar to Stripe, except for the interface sucks. And so it's a perfect gateway here because you actually save a lot more money than Stripe. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your payment section. And here in your payment section, you're going to go and create a product. Now, when you create a product, you're gonna click on this button. You're gonna title this. So you can do your agency name, service fee. Then I like to put the amount they're gonna be charging. So let's just say I'm charging $5,000. I'm gonna put that as my service fee. I'll probably just write that as the description. Then you can come down here and you can change this from a one-time payment to a reoccurring. You put the amount of the payment in here. Make sure the billing period's on monthly because we're doing agency services, right? So we're getting paid every single month. Then if you want as well, you can charge a setup fee here where they can pay this on the spot. So for example, when you have this, all you do is click save. And now we can click on payment links, which is new in GoHighlevel. And we can actually create a new payment link. What we're gonna wanna do here is create a new link. Call this JFM service fee. I'm gonna unblur this so I can select my 5K over here. Okay, after I do this, I also check on collect customer's address. For my payment provider, authorize.net, collecting the address results in a lower charge. I believe it's the same on Stripe as well. So really important that you guys collect their address information because that helps with the billing and make sure that all the payments go through. So after you do this, you just simply hit save and then you're gonna hit back. Now from here, you can actually copy this link URL right here. And then what you're gonna do is open that up in a new tab. And this is how you're gonna charge your clients. So either when you close them on the sales call or you get their credit card information on a contract or an agreement or through a form, however you get their credit card information, you could simply just type it in here and you could hit pay, and that's going to pay and start the monthly subscription. Now, after that monthly subscription happens, what's gonna happen is all your subscriptions are gonna populate here inside of GoHighlevel, and you can manage all your subscriptions right here, which is really, really nice. So you can see where everyone's at. Now let's go into the workflows to show you exactly how I made this work within the automation so it moves to the correct pipelines, and you guys can see when a payment fails and when a payment succeeds. All right, here we are in automations, and these automations are very, very simple when it comes to the payments. What you're gonna notice is I have a payment success and I have a payment failed. Don't worry about the 2,000 recurring, that doesn't matter. So payment failed, every time a payment fails, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add them to the column in the pipeline called payment failed. And it's also going to send us a Slack notification and email the account manager to let them know that, hey, this payment has failed for this client. Please reach out, either get a new card on file or send them the link so they can repay it or rerun the payment, right? Then we have payment success, which simply means when a payment is successful, move them to the right column so that we can keep track of everything. So basically our trigger is whenever a payment is successful, we update the contact field so it pulls in the actual numeric number. So payment total amount. Then we're going to update the opportunity. So they're going to be added to the monthly payment made column. We're going to timestamp it with a note, right? Really important. Then we're going to email all the people on the team that need to get emailed. And then we're also going to send a notification on Slack that looks like this to our Slack channel. So this is the same exact thing for when a payment fails. Now within HighLevel, you have all these things to stay super organized within your billing and payments. And For me specifically, guys, with my agency, billing has always been a pain in the butt. It's always been not that much fun, but this makes it easy to track. Once you get all your clients in here, everything is very seamless. You can see whenever payments come through, payments fail, and it just makes billing and keeping track of your clients' payments a lot easier. So if you guys want me to do a full breakdown of this plus my onboarding process, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to film it. I just want to first get your guys' insight, see if these high-level trainings are something that you guys want, something that's beneficial to you. And if they are, then I'll start doing more, and I'll make sure that they're a lot more in depth, and I'll also provide SOPs for you guys, just like I did with the paid ad video I did. So that concludes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching this one. Cheers.